Hey guys, it's Portuguese DIY Dad, and today we're going to change the cabin air filter on a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. So let's get right to it. I bought this air filter from fcpeuro.com, and I'll put it down on the description exactly what the part number is. There it is. And this is the good stuff, man, guys. This is made in Germany, and right there. All right, and so the location, so I took everything out of the glove compartment already. So the location is inside the glove compartment. All right, there's these tabs. Here's 1 and 2. You press them up, you push them up. This just drops. All right, do it nice and slow. These are all plastic pieces, you don't want to break them. And then you got, so the air filter is right here, okay? So there's these tabs up here, so you want to press them down, and this will flip open just like that. All right, and there's the guy. There's the little guy. So it's been, I think, probably 2 years since I've changed this, so it's time. And let me tell you, you'd notice the difference when you change the cabin air filter. It makes a big difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the new one in. All right, so you want to make sure that you follow the arrows. Okay, so the arrows are facing down. We want to make sure that the arrows face down, and we're gonna throw this in here, push it in. Boom. Take the old one out. Now let's do a quick comparison. Check it out. Look at the difference. Huh? Big difference. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Push it in. All 3 are in. And now we're gonna close this up. This slides back in. You gotta make sure these tabs go up. And boom, done. All right. Hope this helps someone. Don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button so more people can see this video. Have a good day, guys.